if there is no such thing as DTU or similar gateway product. That is, if the microinverter communicates directly with the monitoring platform, then the only way to realize such communication would be to integrate the communication module into the microinverter. Microinverters with built-in Wi-Fi communication module have poor communication with the router, so the Wi-Fi connection can be unstable, and when they are placed on the roof, it will be difficult for them to communicate stably with the router placed indoor. What's more, for the built-in communication module to work, there must be an external antenna. External antennas that are not made by the original manufacturer tend to reduce the water resistance capability of the microinverter, so the risk of water ingress inside the microinverter will increase. Last, when the microinverter is working, the temperature inside of it is higher than the normal working temperature of the communication module, thus increasing the risk of the module failure. Whenever it is damaged, the microinverter must be disassembled and repaired, which can greatly shorten the lifespan of the microinverter. Therefore, how the product is designed is crucial to whether the microinverter is reliable. This explains why most mainstream manufacturers would develop independent gateway products.